Hey everyone, welcome to this amazing channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence with a focus on ChatGPT. If you've ever wondered what ChatGPT is, why it's so important, and how it all started, you are in the right place. So, let's get started. I've divided this video into two sections. In the first section, I will explain everything about ChatGPT. In the second section, I will discuss how to write efficient prompts, also known as prompt engineering. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a highly advanced AI model created by OpenAI. It's part of a group of models known as generative pre-trained transformers. Essentially, it's an AI that can understand and generate text just like humans. The magic of ChatGPT lies in how it learns. It uses deep learning, which is like how our brains learn from experience, to process and create text. By training on a vast amount of internet data, like books and websites, it learns language nuances, grammar, and even some common knowledge. Now, you might be wondering, why is ChatGPT so important? Well, there are several reasons. Firstly, it has revolutionized the way we interact with machines. With ChatGPT, we can have more natural and meaningful conversations with AI, making technology more accessible and user-friendly. ChatGPT is being used in a variety of fields. For instance, in customer support, it can handle queries efficiently, reducing the need for human intervention. In content creation, it helps writers brainstorm ideas and generate text quickly. In education, it provides personalized tutoring and answers to students' questions. The possibilities are endless. Let's take a step back and look at the evolution of GPT models. It all started with GPT-1, which was introduced by OpenAI in 2018. GPT-1 had 117 million parameters, and it was a significant step forward in natural language processing. Then came GPT-2 in 2019, with a whopping 1.5 billion parameters. GPT-2 was a game-changer, demonstrating unprecedented capabilities in text generation, but it also raised concerns about the potential misuse of such powerful technology. In 2020, OpenAI released GPT-3, which took the world by storm. With 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 can perform tasks that were previously unimaginable, from writing essays to generating code, and even creating poetry. And now, we have ChatGPT, which is based on the GPT-4 architecture. This latest version continues to build on the strengths of its predecessors, offering even more accuracy, coherence, and versatility. Okay, so now let's go to our official ChatGPT website. First, let me give you an overview of the website. Below, we have our prompt area. The prompt area is where we write our queries or give commands to our LLM or ChatGPT. Currently, we are using the free version of ChatGPT, which is GPT 3.5. However, OpenAI provides us with some free prompts for using GPT-4. With GPT-4, you can upload files and generate images. For example, I click on this icon, select a file from my desktop, and upload it. Then, I simply write, "Give me the summary of this document," and also request 10 hashtags for it. After some time, it starts generating my summary and provides the hashtags at the end. One major advantage of GPT-4 is that it has more updated data compared to GPT 3.5. Approximately, you can send 30 to 40 messages in 3 hours using GPT-4 for free. After 3 hours, it resets to 0 automatically. If you exhaust all your prompts before 3 hours, it automatically shifts to the GPT 3.5 model, which is our free version. In the left section, we have our chat history. All the chats you've had with ChatGPT are stored there as history. You can hide this section by clicking on the Hide Sidebar button. Alright, so as we know, ChatGPT is a base model that encompasses a wide range of information available on the internet. However, if you need a model specifically tailored for a particular task, you can explore the GPT section. Here, you'll find numerous fine-tuned models capable of handling specific tasks, such as resume building, flight, hotel, and car planning. These models are exclusively available on GPT-4o. You cannot run it using 3.5. For example, I go to the programming section and select a model for Python programming. After clicking, you'll receive all the information about the model. To start chatting with the model, simply click on Start Chat. Now you can simply chat and ask your query like you do with the ChatGPT. So, this is all about the brief overview of ChatGPT website, and now let's go to our second section. Okay, you may ask why prompt engineering is important or why prompts play a major role in getting a response from ChatGPT. Prompt engineering is important because it helps shape how effectively a language model like ChatGPT responds to our questions and commands. Imagine it like giving clear instructions to a very smart assistant. When we use well-crafted prompts, we ensure that the model understands exactly what we are asking for, which makes its answers more accurate and useful. In a single sentence, it is like a garbage in, garbage out mechanism. So, now how do you write an efficient prompt so that you get the answer you want? For this, I am going to tell you the 5 prompt techniques which will help you write efficient prompts. Be clear and specific. Clearly state what you want to know or achieve. Avoid vague or ambiguous language. Like, instead of asking, "Tell me about Python," ask, "What are the main features of Python programming language?" Provide context. Give background information or set the scene to help the model understand the situation or topic. Like, "I am a beginner in learning Python. Can you explain what variables are and how to use them?" Specify the audience. Indicate who the information is for, which can help tailor the response. Like, explain the concept of machine learning to a high school student. Use sequential instructions. Break down complex queries into step-by-step instructions to get a more accurate response. Like, first, explain what a variable is in programming. Then, provide an example of how to declare a variable in Python. And the last one is, use examples. This technique, also known as one-shot prompting. One-shot prompting refers to a strategy in which the model is shown one task-specific example before presenting the actual prompt. In this approach, we provide a sample that acts as a reference for the model. Like there is an example for converting or translate English to French. If you use these techniques for writing your prompt, you will definitely improve your ChatGPT response. So, this all about why prompt engineering is so crucial when using ChatGPT, and how to write effective prompts to get the best responses. So, this is Simplify AI, and I hope you like this video, and if you want more video on latest advancement on AI around the globe, you can subscribe our channel for future updates.